Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day here in Miami. Look what I got here. It's a Stihl concrete saw. I haven't figured out what it is, but the moment I start doing the search, I will figure it out. We'll tell you later. Alright, this is a flywheel. Okay. I'm gonna sew everything in pieces, okay? This is gonna be a piece by itself. I'm doing a video for all of them in case you want more info. Alright, the piston in this one. It's going up and down with no problem. Okay. When I throw the picture, it's gonna be better because you're gonna see a little more. Let me see it like this if I can get it better. Yeah, I can get it. I don't know how much good or compression. I don't have any idea. I'm using now. At least you can see the bad and a little bit of the piston, and you get your own conclusions. Well, this is not locked, if that's your question. Let me do it with a hand, like that you can hear better. Alright. And then I'm going to put the carburetor separate. I'm going to throw pieces of the inside and everything. I have also a cover for the back. And also, I'm sending this piece like this. I don't know how you even call it like this against the body. Alright. Of course, I'm going to put pictures of everything. If you see the video and you haven't seen your piece coming up, yeah, wait a little bit. I'm going to show everything little by little. This one you're going to need to do a little clean up there. You know how it is. Well, everything is complete so far. Alright, you got this, the coil also. Alright. Well, this is cream. I'm going to put it with this. I'm included that. And you already saw this. That's all we got. Hi, have a beautiful day. Let me get my coconut now. I'm ready for my coconut. The trees are beautiful. Alright, have a beautiful day. Any questions? You know how to reach me. Thank you.